I think the co-creation aspect of the working group, the way in which the product is being developed, is actually really important. In the past, when a bank has developed its own e-banking solution, or e-bank account management, EBAM solution, it has tended to design the solution that it wants to implement and then present it to the client and say, this is our solution and you have to work it this way. Which has meant that very often the solution hasn't been perhaps as user-friendly or as flexible, or misses some of the attributes that the client would like to see. And as has been said already, if each bank develops its own EBAM, then one of the biggest advantages of the whole idea is lost, because you, from a corporate's perspective, you still have to put stuff into everybody else's system one by one. With this co-creation approach, the corporates as users are able to explain how they want to use the system, and the banks as consumers, if you like, of the data which is put into the system, have the opportunity to feed into the design and build process what it is that they need to be able to get out of the system in order for the system to be effective for them. So you get both groups of users being able to define their requirements and to influence the nature of the product as a result. The end goal, of course, is that you get a solution which is effective for both groups of users, both the corporates from an input and a maintenance perspective, and the bank from a user's point of view, in that the system will capture the information that they need it to capture in order for it to be a valid and effective tool for them. So I think this kind of co-creation is really, really important.